You're annoyed that you can't get Quizlet Plus. I'm going to show you how to get Quizlet Plus for free. So if you want to get it for free, just watch this video and you'll know exactly how to. So firstly, you're going to want to open Quizlet, but on two different tabs. So basically what you want to do is you want to have Quizlet on one tab, Quizlet on another tab, and then on your first account, you have your account, and on the second account, you want to log into a different account. So you want to have two Quizlets with two different accounts. And then when you do it, just press class on one of the accounts, whatever account you don't want to use, and then just name it whatever you want, doesn't really matter. I'm gonna just spam a bunch of random letters and then do any description you want. And the main part is you want to have both of these ticked. They have to be ticked. And then what you're going to want to do is you're going to want to press create class. When you press create class, it will create a class and redirect you to a page. And then you want to invite yourself. So like you see the plus, and then you want to go to your class, and then you want to press add a study set, because a student can add a study set. So basically on your other account you want to add a study set, and so press that and then press plus. So you want to add whatever one you want to add. You can create a new one or you can add another one, and then when you do that you just want to press on it, and then when you press on it you can basically get unlimited learns and stuff. But don't worry, wait, if this doesn't work for you, what you can do is you can go to your options. So press options, and then when you press options, press shuffle terms, and as you can see the progress bar goes all the way down, and then just press shuffle terms again and you can go to the start. So whenever the progress bar goes all the way to the end, you can just make it go to the front again. And yeah, as you can see I can do a bunch of questions and it doesn't go. And thank you for watching and goodbye.